What up, Joe Scott here with a Kona big wave. This is a liquid Aloha video. Even says so on the label. Just got back from Ocean Pines Skatepark, just outside of Ocean City, Maryland. We're here at the Carousel Resort, Oceanfront Resort. I've broadcasted from this location a couple times before. I will attempt to pick up my phone without shutting it off and giving you the spectacular view. Let's try to do this. There we go. It's not so hard. There we go. We're on the 15th floor of this magnificent, luxurious resort that super rich people like myself go to. When they want to hit the beach, hit awesome skate parks, use jars of peanut butter for their tripod when they make their Kona big wave liquid Aloha video. I was gonna get a natural ice, but I said, hey, let's keep it beachy, folks. Why won't we keep it beachy? Thirsty as fuck, hot as fuck at the skate park. Here at the beach, it's usually a little cooler, because it's got the ocean there. Keeps the temps down. It's probably still in the 70s, like 79 or something, maybe 80 here at the beach, but across the bridge, just inland, it was, I don't know, close to 90, if not 90 degrees. Sweated my ass off, and needed a refreshing beverage like a Kona big wave liquid Aloha, 25 fluid ounces. Sometimes it's just what you need. Did pick up this Alva shirt at Chauncey's surf shop last night. It's soaked, sweated, shredded in it. I will pop a couple clips. As you've already seen, the few clips that I got, shitty clips, shittily filmed clips that I got at Skatepark. Sorry, let's have an episode of burps and hiccups there. It's about 1:30. Wife and one kid. They've been out on the beach since probably 8 o'clock, 8:30 this morning. They can do that. I can't do that. They can sit. They probably each read about 15 books already, not even shitting. We've been here since Saturday. Today is Tuesday. I did complete one book. So, I'm gonna get it. What, you want me to go grab it? Oh well. What's up on my face? Hold on. My one book that I read here at the beach Blue Meridian, the chronicle of the expedition that filmed Blue Water, White Death. It's about filming a shark movie, which I want to watch this movie, Blue Water, White Death. Some parts of the book were boring as shit. There are a couple kind of cool parts of it. Not a big read. Used at Wonder Book and Video. It's like 200 pages. That's enough for Joe Skull. That's enough for Joe Skull. I'm reading another book. It's 9 short stories from the guy who wrote The Catcher in the Rye. Drawing a blank. I've read 2 of them so far. They're pretty good. I mean, they're all right. Whatever. This is probably my favorite day at the beach so far because I go out in the morning, skate, then we'll hang on the beach a little bit. But tonight, we're doing my crab feast, Higgins Crab House. All you can eat. Again, they'll eat, they'll bring books. We'll be there for at least an hour and a half, and I will just be crushing crabs the whole time. So I had breakfast. I had 2 bowls of cereal, Apple Jacks, a banana. I'm having this for lunch and probably like some chips or something. I want to make sure I'm hungry as fuck. Hungry. There's hungry when you're just hungry. And but when you're hungry, you're really hungry. I'm gonna be hungry at about 5:30. Right now it is 1:38. We are 1:38. Drop in the comments if you know what that reference is. We are 1:38. You better know. You better fucking know. Look. We are approaching the swill. Not quite there yet. Again, this jar of peanut butter as a tripod is very genius on my part. So, yeah. We are at the swill now. So yeah, enjoying another week here in Ocean City. Of course at the Carousel Resort. Swill, swill, chilly, chill. I did.